Today we'll make a shepherd's dish, made of leafy greens that grow seasonally. It's a very basic and historic dish of field workers. Foraging is one of the oldest skills of mankind. We've been doing it ever since humans appeared on Earth. Man didn't always live in modern civilization. Human nature is strongly connected to nature, and that's why foraging plants helps us go back to the basics. Today, some people believe that apples grow in the supermarket. They see a plant in nature, and they see something that's poisonous or dirty. But with the information revolution, it's easy to know more about nature. In Israel, for example, there are 2,900 plants, and only very few of them can actually endanger us. We're at the Azekah Mound, located in the Judean foothills. This area is full of open fields and plants. Israel in general is very rich in vegetation because it's located at the crosspoint of 3 different continents. You can find pretty much every plant or spice here. It's like a big pantry. As a child, I wandered a lot in the open fields. That's how I learned everything I know about nature. Ever since, I always carry with me a little sack for gathering plants. It's part of my connection to Israel and its land. In recent years, I've also passed my knowledge to others through different courses and workshops that I do. The unique thing about this shepherd's dish is that you never know what you'll end up putting in it. You can pretty much use every green plant that you find. Every time it will come out differently, according to the plants picked. Because the environment and the plants are in a constant state of change, the ingredients change as well. Every shepherd's dish is a whole new surprise.